Let me start with something I really mean. If you're scared right now, I get it. Maybe you spent the last few months, and maybe a chunk of your savings, learning data analysis. And now, every time you open YouTube, someone is shouting that AI just killed the exact job you were working toward. Your stomach drops, and a quiet voice asks, "Did I just waste all that time?" Or maybe you're already working as a data analyst. You watched your company do layoffs, and now you lie awake at night, wondering if you're next. If that's you, I want you to hear this clearly. That worry is real. You're not being paranoid, and you're not overreacting. When the whole internet keeps telling you your future is disappearing, of course it gets into your head. Anyone would feel it. So here's my honest promise for the next few minutes. I'm not going to scare you just to get a click, and I'm not going to lie to make you feel good either. I'm just going to give you the truth, the encouraging parts and the uncomfortable parts, so you can stop spiraling and start making smart moves with a clear head. Welcome to ShadhinPath, where we make tech simple and honest. Let's go. First, let's be fair to that fear, because it didn't come out of nowhere. A few years ago, a huge part of a data analyst's day was repetitive, technical work. Writing queries to pull numbers, cleaning messy spreadsheets, building the same charts over and over, sending weekly reports that, let's be honest, half the company didn't even open. And here's the part I won't sugarcoat. AI is now genuinely good at exactly those tasks. You can ask ChatGPT to write a SQL query in seconds. AI built into Excel, Power BI, and Tableau can clean data and generate charts on its own. Some tools can even look at a table and explain the trend in plain English. So when you sit with all that, the fear makes complete sense. If a machine can pull the numbers and build the charts, why would anyone pay you to do it? I'm not going to dodge that question. It's the right question to ask. And the answer is the entire difference between an analyst who gets left behind and one who becomes more valuable than ever. Let me show you, honestly, which one you can be. Okay, take a breath. Here's the part that should genuinely calm you down, because it's built on facts, not fear. Start with this one. The amount of data in the world is exploding, not shrinking. Every company collects more data every single year, and all of it is useless unless someone can make sense of it. So the demand for people who truly understand data is going up, not down. Sit with that for a second, because the scary headlines never tell you this part. Now here's the single most important idea in this whole video. If you remember nothing else, remember this. AI is automating the tasks, not the job. Let me show you the difference, because honestly, your whole future depends on understanding it. What is AI genuinely good at? Writing a SQL query, cleaning data, building a quick chart, summarizing a trend. The repetitive, technical parts. The parts, let's be real, you probably didn't enjoy that much anyway. But here's what AI cannot do. And this is exactly where you come in. It can't decide which question is even worth asking. It doesn't understand your company, your customers, or what the business is actually trying to achieve. It can't tell when the data itself is wrong. It will hand you a beautiful chart built on broken numbers and never blink. It can't sit in a meeting, feel the tension in the room, and convince a nervous manager to change course. And it can't take responsibility when a big decision goes wrong. That, right there, is the real job, turning data into a decision a human being can actually trust. Think of AI like a calculator, fast, powerful, but it has no idea what to calculate or why it matters. You do, and that's not a small thing, that's the whole thing. So the job isn't dying, it's splitting into two. The analyst who only pulls numbers and makes basic charts. Yes, honestly, that person is in real danger now, because AI does that part. But the analyst who understands the business and tells a clear story with data, that person is becoming more valuable than ever, because now they do all of it faster, with AI handling the boring parts for them. Same job title, two completely different futures. And which one you end up in is genuinely up to you. So let me show you, step by step, how to make sure you're the second one. I know, that might feel like a lot, especially if you're already stressed about all this. So don't try to do everything at once. Just take the next step. Here are the 5 things that move you into the safe group. 1. Still learn the fundamentals. Please don't skip them out of fear that AI made them pointless. SQL, Excel, basic statistics, and one tool like Power BI or Tableau. AI helps you use them faster, but you have to understand them yourself, or you won't catch it when AI quietly gives you a wrong answer. And trust me, it will. 2, and this is the real game changer, build business understanding. Always ask, what decision is this data supposed to help someone make? The analyst who understands the business beats the one who only knows the tools, every single time. 3, get good at communication and storytelling. Your real job is to make people actually act on what you found. Practice turning one chart into one clear recommendation. In plain words, a busy manager can understand in 10 seconds. 4, and please really hear this one. Use AI. Don't run from it. Learn to use ChatGPT and the AI inside your tools to work faster. Here's the honest line to remember. AI will not replace data analysts, but analysts who use AI will replace the ones who refuse to. 5, build a small portfolio that shows insight, not just charts. Take one free dataset, analyze it, and write what you'd actually recommend and why. That "so what" is exactly what employers are desperate for, and exactly what AI can't fake. So let me leave you with the honest bottom line, the thing I really want you to walk away believing. The data analyst job is not dead. The easy version is shrinking. Yes, I won't pretend otherwise. But the valuable version is growing fast, and you are completely capable of becoming that version. That fear you felt at the start of this video, let it turn into focus. You're not too late. You're not behind. You just needed someone to show you the real picture. So here's your one step this week. Pick a free dataset and write down 3 real insights from it. Not just charts, but what they actually mean. That's it. Just start. If this gave you a little calm and a clear path, subscribe to ShadhinPath. Honest, simple tech and career guidance always. And tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you're most worried about in your tech career right now? I read them, and your question might become my next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.